Hello everyone, as you can see we have the Stream Deck XL in front of us. In a previous video we unboxed the smaller Stream Deck, the 15 key Stream Deck, and I'll leave a link up here to that video. But we will also compare that to this one as well. But today what we're going to do is take a look at the Stream Deck XL. This is the guy that I'm going to be using at home, hopefully with my streaming, but we'll see what ends up happening with that. Of course, this is from Elgato. If we look at the back or the side, basically we've got the 32 customizable buttons. We've got the USB-A, USB-C to USB-A cable, and then it works with both Mac and Windows. So we'll see how that works. So let's go ahead and unbox this. It is definitely much larger, significantly larger than the other one. So let's go ahead and see here. Take that and that. Pop. There we go. Oh, this comes with much nicer presentation than what we got with the other one. Oh, wow. Yeah. Even a braided cable. So I'm liking this much better so far than the other Stream Deck. Interesting. All right, so like I said, so far we've got a braided cable, which we did not have with the smaller Stream Deck. And then this is nicely wrapped as well. Woo, much larger. Oh yeah. Wow. I am digging this. Yeah, so on the bottom here, we've got this guy here, so let's go ahead and take that off. And this is the rubber backing there, so that way it's not going to be moving around on your desk. On the back here, we do have the USB-C port right there that this guy plugs into. Wow, super cool. All right, so the buttons feel the same, or at least very similar to the smaller Stream Deck. As you can see, side by side, what they look like. Let me shed some light here. There we go. That should be a little bit better. As far as what we're looking at, size difference. Zoom in a little bit here. So like I was saying before, you know, we've got the 15 keys on this one, 32 on this one. I mean, if you've got the extra money and the space on your desk, just the way this guy feels much nicer than the smaller one. It just depends on what you're going to be using it for, I suppose. But overall, so far, definitely liking the way that this one looks. The smaller one, like I said, is going to work. This one is staying home with me for my streaming and things that I'm doing. One of the things that I'm planning on doing on the channel is talking about some of the macros or keys, or buttons, I should say, that I end up using more often than not. Some of the things that I find useful that you might find useful as well, that maybe things that you didn't know were possible with the Stream Deck as well. So with that, I think this is a good stopping point in the video. But you can definitely see the size difference. That is one of the things that I was curious about. You know, what are we looking at? Difference in size. I mean, it's about half the size, which is what you would expect, but this just feels nicer. Also, you know, taking them off the stands, if you weren't going to have them up, the bigger one just feels more substantial, and this one just feels cheap. I don't like saying that, but that's just the way it feels. Yeah, I mean, the magnets feel much better with the bigger one as well. So yeah, like I said, good stopping point. I will do future videos. I'll leave a link down in the description for the smaller Stream Deck, as well as to the larger Stream Deck if you're interested in learning more on Amazon. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting. Me and myself, being a professional geek, like to share things that are of interest to me and will hopefully be of interest to you as well. So with that, have a great day.